Hey, hi. We're going to look at this error, which comes when someone opens your donate link. Okay. When someone opens your donate link and PayPal shows this message that this organization is currently ineligible to receive donations, is because in your PayPal account, you the owner of the PayPal donate link or the account, you have pending questions from PayPal. Now, pending questions from PayPal usually show up here in the notifications. Usually, people may be asking you maybe ID or proof of address or maybe bank statement. So, if you have pending questions from PayPal, PayPal disables your donate link. Okay. Now, two, your account may have been actually currently permanently suspended, or your account actually is new. Sometimes when the account is new, like 24 hours, if you create it within like 24 hours, sometimes the donate link may show this. Sometimes, okay? I've ever seen it like with two accounts. I don't know, but I don't know, maybe it was a temporary issue, but I've seen it actually happening on several accounts of clients who have just created their PayPal accounts. So those are the three main reasons why this message can come. And how to fix it is you have to actually fix it from your account. You have to submit what PayPal is asking you. Okay. Let me know if you need any assistance in this, and you can leave it in a comment. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.